So magandang araw kabala. Sa video na ito kabala, pag-uusapin natin yung pong naganap na Game 5 kabala ng finals. So pag-uusapin natin si Terence Romeo kabala. We will name the top 3 teams sa palagay natin. Dapat i-consider po na mag-offer po sa third firma para makuha siya. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So let's start po kabala with the team owner ng Abra Weavers kabala ng MPBL kabala. They are currently making waves there, Kabola. Pangalawang season pa lang nila, pero pinapakita rin nila, Kabola, that they are there for real, Kabola. Sinasabayan nila yung mga iba pa pong top teams doon, Kabola. At yun nga, palagi pa lang nasasabihan itong team owner po na si Congressman JB Bornos, Kabola, na may chance bang sumali po siya sa PBA, Kabola. Diba? Yan yung mga pinupukol po sa kanya. Pero ang explanation niya dito, which is of course valid naman, Kabola, is that yun nga, hindi po Abra yung dadalhin niya sa PBA kung sakala. Kabola, diba? It should be a company. Sabi niya, Kabola. And of course, ang ibig sabihin niyan, dapat maghanap po siya ng kumpanya na idadalhin niya doon, Kabola. Diba? So, yung mga ganun po na issue actually. And of course, sinasabi niya rin, Kabola, na yung gagasusin doon, Kabola, or yung kailangan po na focus doon sa PBA is iba din. Although, meron din naman siyang emphasis, Kabola, na PBA is still the number 1 league or the number 1 or the tip tier, Kabola, sa basketball professional dito po sa ating bansa. Now, sa finals naman, Kabola, Game 5, nanalo po San Miguel Beermen. Joke lang, nanalo pala ng TNT, kaya 3-2 siya, Kabola. And gusto ko lang, again, banatan yung mga fans na nagsasabing scripted, diba? Grabe talaga itong mga fans na to. Hindi natututo, Kabola. Scripted na naman daw, Kabola. Now, here's the number, makinig kayo, here's the number, no? In the last 10 finals, kasi parang sinasabi, basta finals, sinasabi, scripted. In the last 10 finals, mga Kabola, 3 lang po yung nag-game 7, 3 lang, that's 30%. So, stop, no? Stop telling na ito pong mga finals po sa PBA is scripted, because it's not, they're not scripted. Come on, Kabola, they're not scripted. Especially this one, the battle of the 2 flagship franchises, this is not scripted. Speaking of Game 5, Kabola, dito mo makikita na naman po si BGR, Kabola. No? In this finals, talagang pinapakita niya yung value niya, Kabola. And of course, we are happy to see that. Although, of course, marami na fans, yung tingin sa kanya daw is Bass, Kabola. Kasi nga po, injury prone siya, Kabola. Pero again, BGR is a modern type of big man. And I still think na kung magiging healthy ito, Kabola, he could reach that pinnacle. Kung baga siya, Troy Rosario type din, Kabola, pero mas malaki yung katawan, mas tigasin yung laruan, Kabola. So he could still be very special, Kabola. Could he become a top 10 player in the PBA? Yes, he could still become a top 10 player in the PBA, Kabola. Basta lang, ang yung pinaka-importante dyan, kailangan niya pong maging healthy. Comments muna tayo ng mga fans. Pa-shoutout, sir, sabi ni Boss Ronald Berbisidad. Al Santiago, pasigaw sir, sana Chongson to Inebro. Oy, grabe naman yan. Fan ka ni Chongson. Yung point G gusto ng ROS, Toyota ito. Magaling daw magpasa, pasa galing sa Oria. Anong pasa galing sa Oria? Jeffrey Cunalda, malambot si Isaac. Yun pa naman yung ayaw si AYG. Saka, hindi na need ng ROS ang center. Lalaro na si Luis at Belga. First, actually, di ba? Speaking of Luis, I'm a big fan of Luis Villegas. Kabola, I'm a big man. Kaya talagang hinihintay ko din to. Kabola. Now, ito na, no? So, bakit natin pinag-usapan si Terence Romeo? Because of the reality na ito nga po terefirma, Kabola, is sasali na nga daw po next season, Kabola. Hindi na daw po sila ata mabibenta. So, a trade is now possibility dito po sa options. So, yun yung top 3 team na dapat i-consider po to trade for Romeo. Number 3 natin is Phoenix, Kabola. Di ba? Phoenix will again get a top 3 pick in this upcoming draft. This is good for them. This is great for them, Kabola. Now they can get another good, no, blue chip prospect there. Then if they can add Terence Romeo in their team, Kabola. At kung titignan mo kasi yung team nila, they have a lot of good guards, pero in reality, wala silang someone as good in terms of breaking down the defense like Romeo. Even at the age of Romeo right now, Kabola. So I think they should target Terence. Barangay Nebra, of course. Bakit po Barangay Nebra? If you look po at their current po na bench, Kabola, parang wala silang ganito yung Spitfire type of scorer, Kabola. Hindi ganun si Pinto, no? Hindi po ganun si Pinto. Jeremiah Gray, ito sana yung role niya. Unfortunately, injury prone siya. So, that could be the role of a Terence Romeo. Pero number 1 pa rin natin, it's Magnolia Hotshots. Especially, Kabola, with the impending departure of Phil Navarro, they badly need scoring, Kabola, na madadala, of course, si Terence Romeo. Of course, yung age din ni Barroca, yung age ni Polly. Lahat yan, pagsasamahin mo, and you will realize that Magnolia Hotshots badly need Terence Romeo. Kababalo sa palagay mo, dapat po bang itarget ang Magnolia sa Terence Romeo? Kami na puso ba?